Now, amid rising privacy concerns, the Sanchar Sathi app has sparked a fresh center-opposition clash. The app, which the government says is designed to secure mobile connections, track lost phones, and curb cyber fraud, is at the center of a political storm. The opposition alleges that it could pave the way for digital surveillance and compromise user privacy. Facing criticism, the government clarified that the app is not mandatory and users can delete it. SMS and calls will not be tracked. While the smartphone makers must preload the app, it remains entirely optional for the users to delete it. Meanwhile, Apple has confirmed that it will not comply with the mandate to preload the app on its devices. Let's listen in.
अगर आप चाहते हो तो इसको आप एक्टिवेट करो, अगर आप नहीं चाहते तो इसे एक्टिवेट मत करो। सुनिए ना, अगर आप इसको अपने फोन पे रखना चाहते हो तो रखो, अगर आप इसको डिलीट करना चाहते हो तो डिलीट करो। ये कस्टमर प्रोटेक्शन की बात है और हर भ्रम को मैं तोड़ने की कोशिश कर रहा हूं। आपको डिलीट करना है तो आप डिलीट कर दोगे आप, पर हर व्यक्ति को देश में नहीं मालूम कि मुझे फ्रॉड से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए, मुझे चोरी से प्रोटेक्ट करने के लिए ये ऐप है, तो हर व्यक्ति तक ये ऐप पहुंचाना हमारी जिम्मेदारी है।
देखिए, सरकार हर एक के मोबाइल में क्या खोजबीन करना चाहती है। ये जब लोकसभा में ये सरकार उसी तरह बनाना चाहती है। कोरिया में ना वो एक क्या है वहाँ के नॉर्थ कोरिया के वो किंग जॉन्ग, कहीं ऐसा तो नहीं है सरकार किंग जॉन्ग के रास्ते पे चल रही हो।
अपोजिशन ये जो इशू ढूंढ करके लाने का आवश्यकता नहीं है। विंटर सेशन पार्लियामेंट में बिजनेस तय किया गया है, बहुत सारा मुद्दे हैं और कई मुद्दे जो अपोजिशन ने भी उठाया है उस पर हम बातचीत करके आगे क्या करना है इसमें विचार करेंगे। नए नए मुद्दे ढूंढ करके पार्लियामेंट को डिस्टर्ब करने के लिए बहाना बनाने का कोई आवश्यकता नहीं है। हर मुद्दे अपने जगह में इम्पोर्टेंट है, लेकिन मुद्दे को आप बना करके पार्लियामेंट को स्टॉल करेंगे ये तो ठीक नहीं है।
In the name of helping the people's consumer, BJP government is trying to attack on privacy of the common people. We had an experience of Pegasus here in India. So the government is trying to put a surveillance on entire people of this country through this app.
It is a snooping app. I mean, clearly, it's ridiculous. Now, where else do they want to, I mean, citizens have their right to privacy. Even all of you must be having a right to privacy to send your own messages to family, friends without the government looking at everything.
Is the government?
It's not just one thing. It's not just snooping on the telephones. It's overall. They are turning this country into a dictatorship.
But government is saying it's for national security, so that it cannot be misused.
The fraud will be easy to report.
It's for national security. Yeah.
But that's a very fine line. It's a very fine line between fraud is easy to report and we can see everything that every citizen of India is doing on their phone. So that's not how it should work.
What are your objections to this app? Because the government says it's all about national security.
Well, we've seen what their level of national security is. They couldn't secure parliament when those guys came and jumped off the balcony with gas or whatever in their shoes. So let's not go into that. This is only legalized snooping and a way to harass. If you go to look at it, bit by bit, they're eroding the citizens' privacy. And now soon they'll be able to peer into wherever you are. This is official Snoopgate.
Okay, but are you going to protest on this also? Because legally you think this is going to become a big issue?
It is a big issue. It's not about becoming a big issue.
But Renuka ji, there's a Red Fort blast case and the trail of using mobile phones. That's what the government is saying, that this app is going to ensure that, cyber security, national security is maintained.
If they can please control the cyber crime that is already happening now. And if they can control that, then we'll talk about this. This does not legitimize their requirement to snoop into every phone call.
आज साइबर थ्रेट है या नहीं, साइबर की फ्रॉड की चुनौती है या नहीं, झूठे करके डिजिटल अरेस्ट करके धमकी देते हैं कि नहीं, जिसको कोर्ट ने खुद नोटिस किया है, सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने सीबीआई की इंक्वायरी कराया है। तो अगर ये है तो आपके मोबाइल में 50 ऐप रहते हैं, एक ऐप रहेगा, उसमें दिक्कत क्या है? बहुत सिंपल सी बात है। हर मोबाइल में 10, 15, 20 ऐप होते हैं ना, लोन के लिए ऐप होते हैं, बाकी के लिए ऐप होते हैं। तो अगर आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए एक सुरक्षा कवच है तो उससे आपको परेशानी क्या है?
Karti, your objection to the Sanchar app, you don't think it's about national security?
No, it's Orwellian. And I think, Pallavi, that you should, if you're a proponent of this app, you should put out all your chats, all your photographs in the public domain. Anybody who values individual freedom and liberty will oppose this. No functioning democracy, no free society will allow this. This is like putting Pegasus on everybody's phone. The government will have access to your most intimate details, to your private conversations, to your personal affairs. No government has a right to pry into our lives. And this cannot be, and national security is a convenient cover to erode liberty. Liberty and freedom are far more important than anything else.